Welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're serious about improving your golf game in 2026, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best golf launch monitors that deliver pro-level accuracy, smart analytics, and real performance insights to help you lower your scores faster than ever. Whether you're practicing at home, on the range, or dialing in your swing, these picks are absolute game changers. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button so you never miss our latest reviews. And as always, you can find all the product links in the description box below. Let's tee it up and get started. The Garmin Approach R50 is a premium all-in-one launch monitor and simulator designed for golfers who want advanced data without extra screens. It features a highly accurate 3-camera system that tracks ball speed, launch angle, face-to-path, spin rate, and spin axis both indoors and outdoors. The large 10-inch built-in color touchscreen lets you review impact videos, analyze club performance, and even play virtual rounds directly on the device. With training modes, shot dispersion charts, atmospheric pressure correction via a built-in barometer, and access to over 43,000 virtual courses through Home T Hero, the R50 delivers a complete practice and simulation experience. The IY Mini Core is a powerful camera-based launch monitor built for serious home simulator setups. Using dimple optics technology, it captures 15 ball data points with near zero latency and requires no stickers, so you can use any golf ball. The included View software provides deep swing analysis and session reports, while compatibility with GS Pro, E6 Connect, and TGC19 unlocks full virtual golf experiences. Advanced users can upgrade to Club Optics for real-time club at impact visuals, making this an excellent choice for players who want precision data, immersive simulation, and long-term performance tracking. Trusted by Tiger Woods and top PGA professionals, the Full Swing Kit delivers tour-level performance in a compact and portable design. Its patented 5D AI machine learning radar captures 16 essential club and ball metrics, including spin rate, face angle, attack angle, smash factor, and carry distance. A built-in 4K camera provides crystal clear swing video, while the OLED display shows real-time data instantly. With no stickers, no complicated calibration, and fast setup indoors or outdoors, the Full Swing Kit is ideal for golfers who want elite accuracy anywhere they practice. The Bushnell Launch Pro is built for golfers who demand absolute accuracy. Unlike radar-based systems, it uses an advanced 3-camera system combined with infrared technology to capture impact with exceptional precision. This approach eliminates guesswork and delivers tour-level ball data you can truly trust. Designed for serious improvement, the Launch Pro focuses on critical swing and ball flight metrics that help golfers hit longer, more consistent shots and lower their scores, making it one of the most respected personal launch monitors on the market. Taking the top spot, the IY Mini LITE by Unicore makes high-quality golf simulation more accessible than ever. Simply connect it to your computer and enjoy accurate, real-time data from the comfort of your home. Built with Unicore's proven camera-based technology, it delivers reliable performance across practice sessions and full simulator play. Designed for golfers of all skill levels, the IY Mini LITE combines ease of use, precision tracking, and affordability, making it the perfect choice for anyone who wants to play more golf on their own schedule.